Let's make delicious porridge fingers.
They are actually very easy.
First ingredient, 106 grams of oat. Throw in some cinnamon, some chia seeds, more chia seeds. Mashy the bananas. Put them in. Peanut butter, of course. Frozen raspberries. Desiccated coconut. Desiccated, what a fancy word.
Some more banana, but it's freezing. Then pour in some milk of your choice. Mix it with a fork. When it reaches consistency like this, it's ready for baking. Transfer to a baking tray.
Flatten. That looks ready to go into oven. Preheat the oven for 180 degrees. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove it and put it down on the chopping board. I cut it in finger food size,
so my baby can just eat them by herself. They look so good. Recipe in the descriptions.